Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to enable mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Quick and easy tutorial. So the first two things we're going to do right now is we're going to make sure we have the latest version for TikTok and of course our software. Let's start first with our software by going to settings right there, go to general and go for software update. Now if you're using an Android device or using a Samsung Galaxy device, it's basically the same thing. Please check if you have a pending update on your device. Next up, on your App Store, go to TikTok. So basically, if you're using Android, go to Play Store right there and click on TikTok. We're just making sure here there is no pending update. As you can see right here, I have a pending update. However, this is just going to be earlier today, and I still have that option on making sure everything is good. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. On your end, please update it. Next one, open up your TikTok account, and basically to enable that gaming option on TikTok, you need to ask your friend that's going to be on the middle list or Dubai, because that option is going to be only available as of now on Dubai or the middle list. Just ask them to log into your account, go to the profile section, and in here go to the settings, go for settings and privacy, and they're going to see gaming option right there. Basically ask them to enable it, and then once you log in back on your account wherever you are, you're going to have that gaming option. Now if you cannot wait for it to go on your account right there, you can just go straightly to the help center right here, type on the report a problem right there, and basically tell them what's happening and you want the gaming option on TikTok. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.